If you follow me on Instagram, I'm sure that you've seen this video. After this incident, my friend Citizen decided to learn to skateboard. So today, me and my friend, we decided to go skateboarding. It's been a long time. I know a few tricks, but I'm not that good. So today, we're gonna start, and I'm gonna try to do a few tricks. So let's do this together. Here we have Diana. She's a princess. You know, Diana.
I'm a queen.
She's a queen. Queen Diana, right?
Thank you.
You've been skateboarding for 10 years. You're a professional, so what advice can you give me?
The most important thing is the trust on yourself.
Oh, damn.
If you don't have confidence, you cannot manage anything in this life.
Wow. So you already know it, guys. So yeah, confidence, right? I'm sorry, guys. That's what it is. So we are enjoying ourselves now. It's a good thing to do activities that can make you feel creative. Don't try this at home, you know, because it's really dangerous. Anyway, like I said in my previous video, you can work on some hustles that, you know, guys been thinking about and never had time to accomplish them. I try to stay creative on my videos and everything. So if I can do it, you can do it too. Yeah, I know the sun is blowing on my face. I have to stay here, you know, talk to you guys a little bit. Yeah, so what I was saying is sometimes you have to get out of your comfort zone. You have to do stuff that you never thought that you would do, or things you were thinking about and you never really had time to do them. I had this skateboard 2 years ago. I cannot say that I always wanted to be a skateboarder or something like that. Still right now, I don't know, I'm just finding some excuse to get outside of my room. It's been successful. I'm enjoying it anyway. It was freezing cold, it was raining, and now look at that. You know, look at that sky. It's amazing, right? God damn it, it's tiring. Oh my God. At least I'm learning something new, huh? Let's go back at it.
Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it starts.
Finally did it. That's the thing. Never give up. Woo! I'm happy. I'm gonna keep doing it. Your turn, my man.
Said you wanted honest, I'm giving you my hand.
me.